The quiet is broken by Blackrock. Behind the scenes, some enormous things are happening. At last, the Uptober has begun today. The Shiba Inu team reveals a massive secret, and given that they had been training us all for a while, it was really to be anticipated. Everything centered on the 1st October, the day everything changes. This gives me renewed optimism. But why should your excitement match mine? What is going on here, really? Okay, let me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. What an awful day it was yesterday, when one of the tokens in Shiba Inu's ecosystem was removed from one of the biggest exchanges globally. The company suffered a great deal. The environment around Shiba Inu has been severely harmed by this. And today there are many who think that this may be a turning moment. There are also rumors that the value of Shiba Inu might increase by another 0 due to a significant decrease in price. This is really insane. Shiba Inu had a short surge not so long ago, but it soon corrected itself, exhibiting symptoms of difficulty maintaining its bullish momentum. This is the exact opposite of what everybody anticipated. Shiba Inu's price increased by almost 50% in a matter of days only last week, thrilling everyone with the possibility of more growth. Yet all changed when leash was taken off the list. It created a great deal of anxiety, which resulted in a big decline in Shiba Inu's price. Furthermore, despite the fact that this disaster took everyone by surprise, many appeared to comprehend why it occurred. But nobody was ready for the worry that the Shiba Inu may plummet much lower and have another decimal place added to its price. The community of Shiba Inu has been devastated by this news. Additionally, it has caused many investors who were counting on an increase in value to lose faith. The Shiba Inu community is now making a lot of effort to prevent these forecasts of price increases from happening. For instance, once larger traders began to intervene, Shiba Inu saw a tremendous 360% jump in huge trades only today. This demonstrates that everyone is attempting to maintain control and keep things from going out of control. Strong has long been associated with Shiba Inu, committed community, and this could be the one thing that makes the difference. That power has to be used right now, because things might become worse on the pricing chart if the community doesn't come together. Indeed, it's possible that some individuals are panicking and overreacting. However, it is a fact that it is occurring. It's more crucial to concentrate on how to resolve the problem than on the panic. This is a preferable course of action, since time is of the essence and quick action might assist stabilize the situation before more harm is done. The community's togetherness is the most effective means of halting the downward spiral in this crucial circumstance. And now for something really fascinating. We all recall Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, attempting to soothe the community yesterday via her tweet. However, she used an entirely different strategy today. Something that took everyone by surprise. Shiboshi Run is the name of the mobile game. She said, "Get ready for Shiboshi Rush, the exciting new game," in her tweet. Players will use their Shiboshi army to repel the Shadowcat army in an action-packed adventure. This is quite significant news since it's been a long time since we've seen a new mobile game. Shiba Eternity was released. This update has the potential to restore investors' faith. An increased level of participation with a new game may rekindle interest in the Shiba Inu environment. There's an added perk to this. Rarely do Shiba Inu game creators make games for pure enjoyment. These games often include aspects that assist the community or the ecology, such as Shiba Inu burns. People are giddy with curiosity to find out what those advantages will be, even if we don't yet know. This could be the opportunity for everyone to start again. The game's concept is intriguing and humorous at the same time. Although they have always existed, Shadowcats are becoming more and more prominent in the Shiba Inu tale. Shadowcats are obstacles or dangers that might arise out of the blue in the business world, such as rivals or unfavorable market dynamics. They serve as a reminder that despite the exhilaration, there are hazards to be mindful of. Thus, Shiboshi Run has a pretty creative premise. In addition to addressing these shadow cat issues, which are all too true in the cryptocurrency world, it also embodies the fun nature of Shiba Inu. The release of this game is really well timed, particularly in light of everything that is happening in the community. It gives fans and investors an enjoyable method to interact with the company and provides a humorous perspective on the difficulties they encounter. This game has the potential to unite the community and transform a difficult situation into something enjoyable and uplifting. But would this be sufficient to return Shiba Inu to its previous price surge of more than 50% in a matter of days, which was abruptly stopped by unanticipated news? Okay, let's investigate. The intriguing part is that Blackrock's release from today contains the solution. What then is the topic? The chairman of Blackrock's digital assets division, Robert Mitnick, spoke about the lackluster performance of Ethereum exchange-traded funds. He said that there will be no improvement in the near future. According to Mitnick, a lot of investors are reluctant to put money into Ether because they think the company's investment narrative is more murky. Mitnick said that although Ethereum ETFs may seem to be enormous failures in comparison to the Bitcoin products that were introduced at the beginning of 2024, their performance is really very respectable when compared to other ETF products that have been unable to bring in $1 billion in inflows over a period of years. This still demonstrates, however, how disinterested institutional investors are in cryptocurrencies. It's really a big revelation that this lack of interest indicates investors are still wary about venturing into cryptocurrencies. The month of October, which began yesterday, is seen as being quite positive for the cryptocurrency market. As one Twitter user noted, Bitcoin was green in October, November, and December in every election year. In addition, October, November, and December have all been good months when September is green. September has been going well so far, and this year is election year. Bearishness is difficult right now. This observation implies that a fascinating period is about to begin for the whole cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, given the work of the Shiba Inu team, this may be a fantastic chance for Shiba Inu in particular. If past patterns continue to hold, the market may see a favorable turn that will enable us to reach the moon. This is an exciting time for everyone engaged because of the community's commitment and the seasonal trends. However, it wasn't my intended point. The key takeaway is that a lot of people anticipated institutional adoption to be the driving force behind this bull run. But as today's Blackrock newsletter demonstrates, institutional interest in cryptocurrencies is lacking. Initially, it seems that cryptocurrencies will not be seeing a significant influx of liquidity, which is negative news for them. On the other hand, because it makes it simpler to forecast what will occur in the next months, it may even be good news. Institutional investors would add a great deal of volatility and uncertainty. We would be dealing with a very different environment with their involvement, which would make it difficult to predict market trends. Furthermore, because only long-time, experienced cryptocurrency investors are now involved, we may base our projections on past trends. This is more easier to understand and provides more insight into potential future directions for the industry. An expert market analyst by the name of Shiba Knight has one of the most current projections for Shiba Inu. Having invested in cryptocurrencies since 2017, this specialist has determined many significant price objectives for the meme currency. Recent data on X indicates that the analyst has indicated some significant support levels to keep an eye on, as well as possible price targets that Shiba Inu may hit soon. There is a unique purchasing zone that has been identified for bigger investors, often known as whales, which is important for individuals wishing to make substantial investments. This research is in line with the general patterns that should be seen as October approaches. As was previously noted, traditionally, the value of Shiba Inu has risen around this time of year, and many in the market think that as October goes on, we may see a similar pattern. Considered, there's hope that Shiba Inus may soon see an increase in value. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.